You're watching How Leap. Let's turn off call recording on an iPhone. If you are using a third-party app for recording, open that specific app and check its settings for an auto record toggle to turn it off. To disable the screen recording method, ensure you are not starting new recordings. Open Control Center and make sure the screen recording icon is not active. To prevent accidental recording, you can remove screen recording from Control Center. Go to Settings, then Control Center. Find screen recording in the included controls list and tap the red minus sign next to it to remove it. The iPhone itself has no system-wide call recording to turn off, as it does not have a built-in feature. Therefore, you simply stop using the third-party app or screen recording method. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.